Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about flexible manufacturing systems where we will learn about their definitions, their characteristics, their basic components, and their objectives. We will start with some basic definitions. Manufacturing is a transformation of the material into something useful and portable. Alternate terms are production, fabrication, and others. A manufacturing system is a collection of machines, transport elements, computers, storage buffers, people, and other items that are used together for manufacturing. These items are resources. We have alternative terms as factory, production system, and fabrication facility. And finally, subassemblies of manufacturing systems, which are themselves systems, are sometimes called cells, work centers, or workstations. An important thing about manufacturing is that a manufacturing company, a manufacturing firm, wants to know in advance exactly how a given product will come out. And most often, it wants to repeat an operation many times in exactly the same way. That is, the firm makes a promise to its customers to deliver a product with certain characteristics. If it disappoints its customers, it will suffer economic consequences. But every time the market competition becomes more intense. During the 1960 to 1970, cost was the primary concern. Later, quality became the priority. As the market became more and more complex, speed of delivery became something that the customers also needed. So a new strategy was formulated. And this strategy is about customizability or personalization. Companies must adapt to the environment in which they operate, be more flexible in their operations, and satisfy different market segments. Thus, the innovation of flexible manufacturing systems was related to the effort to obtain a competitive advantage. First, flexible manufacturing systems are a manufacturing technology. Second, flexible manufacturing system is a philosophy. System is the keyword. Philosophically, flexible manufacturing systems incorporates a view of the manufacturing system. The buzzword for today's manufacturer is agility. An agile manufacturer is one that is the fastest on the market, operates with the lowest total cost, and has the greatest ability to delight its customers. Flexible manufacturing system is simple one way that manufacturers can achieve this agility.
Typically, at workday's end, machines shut down, people leave, and you're left with unused production capacity. This, along with other factors, reduces machine utilization rates, resulting in a great deal of unused potential. Fortunately, there is a solution. Fastem's FMS, Flexible Manufacturing System.
That was an example of why flexible manufacturing systems are so important, and also was the motivation to take this course. Now we will see some definitions. A flexible manufacturing system is an arrangement of machines interconnected by a transport system. The transporter carries work to the machines on pallets or other interface units, so that work machine registration is accurately, rapid, and automatic. A central computer controls both machines and transport system. Other definitions say that flexible manufacturing system consists of a group of processing workstations interconnected by means of an automated material handling and storage system and controlled by integrated computer control systems. Flexible manufacturing system is called flexible due to the reason that it is capable of processing a variety of different part styles simultaneously at the workstations, and quantities of production can be adjusted in response to the changing demand patterns.